In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion timeline view. If you manage projects, plan content, or track milestones, this view makes it easy to see work laid out across time at a glance. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. Click login, then enter your workspace so you're in the place where you want to build your timeline. Open the page where this timeline will live. On that page, press the / on your keyboard and start typing timeline. From the options that appear, choose timeline view. Notion will create a new database for you, so give it a clear name that reflects what you're planning, like a project roadmap or an event schedule. A specific name will help you and your team recognize it later. In a timeline database, each item appears as a bar stretching from its start date to its end date. As you add items, you'll see them stack on the calendar so you can understand overlaps and gaps. You can click and drag an item to move its dates forward or backward, and you can grab either end of the bar to resize it and adjust its duration. This is perfect for shifting a task that started late or extending a milestone that needs more time. Notion updates the dates automatically as you drag, so you always stay accurate. Click any item, sometimes called a card, to open it and add details. Here you can rename the item, add tags, and adjust properties like status, priority, owner, or any custom fields you use to organize your work. Keeping properties consistent makes your timeline easier to scan and filter later. To customize how each card looks on the timeline, click the 3-dot icon and choose Customize Layout. In this panel, you can adjust what appears on the card, add or remove panels, and edit the structure so the most important information is visible at a glance. For example, you might show the assignee and status right on the card so you don't have to open it every time. When you like what you see, click Apply to all pages so the layout stays consistent across your database. If you need to remove an item, right-click the specific card and choose Delete. And if you decide to remove the entire timeline view from the page, click the 6-dot icon, choose Delete, and confirm in the pop-up by clicking Delete again. That's it. You now know the essentials of the Notion timeline view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.